Hey there, it's John from Tiny, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TinyMCE's LMS starter config, self-hosted, loading premium plugins from the cloud. Now you might be wondering, why would I self-host TinyMCE and then load premium plugins from the cloud? Well, there's a couple scenarios where you might want to do this. For example, your app might already be using self-hosted TinyMCE, and you want to add premium plugins without migrating everything over to the cloud. Or maybe you're already self-hosting TinyMCE and you just want to try out some of the premium plugins on a 14-day free trial. We built this starter config based on LMS best practices and how some of our customers, including Blackboard, McGraw-Hill, and Desire to Learn, use TinyMCE. You can use it for building your own LMS from scratch or adding rich text editing capabilities to your existing LMS. Okay, let's take a look at how to set it up. So I've got a local development and web server set up on my computer here with the project directory and editor on the left, and then my browser on the right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to tiny.cloud/get-tiny, and I'm going to download the TinyMCE SDK. So we're going to unzip the file and copy the TinyMCE folder into our projects.js directory. Awesome. Now we're going to go to the Solutions tab on our website, click on Learning Management System, and scroll down to the Starter Config. We've got the starter config available in two forms, one without code tips and one with code tips. The version with code tips is great if you're new to TinyMCE and you want to learn what each config option does. So we'll copy that over to our HTML file. Okay, so by default, the starter config loads TinyMCE from the cloud. We just need to go to the script tag that loads TinyMCE and replace the path with the local version of tinymce.min.js. Perfect. Let's save the file and load it up on our web server. Great. So it looks like it's loaded the LMS starter config, but it's still missing the premium features, which are what we need to load from the cloud. In our docs, we have a help article on loading premium plugins from the cloud. I'll include a link to that in the description, but head over there and copy this script tag to load premium plugins. We'll paste it right under our TinyMCE script tag. And then we're going to replace no API key with our API key from our account screen. Save the file and head back into our LMS, reload it. And here we go. Now we've got TinyMCE self-hosted, loading all the premium features from the cloud. From here, you can take the code, put it into your app, and play around with the settings to make it perfect for your LMS. If you don't have a TinyMCE API key, you can head over to our pricing page and sign up for a free 14-day trial to try out all the premium features included in the starter config. The 14-day trial also comes with access to our support team, which can help you get started if you get stuck. So what's next? You're going to want to learn how to get and set content from the editor. I've included a link in the description for you to check that out. We're going to be releasing a lot more content on rich text editing and LMSs, so be sure to check out our YouTube channel and head over to our blog for more resources. Good luck.